This is elevator number 2 on IKEA, Broadway Commons, Hicksville, New York. This is another elevator. And here it is. Go on. Issue here. 2. And don't close button works. That's it. This place is busy, that's why. And here it is. We're on 2. There you have it. Go back down to 1. Are you going or what? Alright, don't close button does not work again because of the Schindler. You can see this is the Otis plate right there. This is very identical to the other elevator, which basically has a rear door. I do like the wall right there, those new ones too. There it is right there. Certificate. All right. And that will be it.